Hey, ProTinkerToy.com. This is an unboxing video. We're unboxing like we're unwrapping something. Oh, cool. Okay, so this is the Samurai 18030, okay? This is the, there's two of them, 18032 and 18030. The 30 is the brushed motor, and the 18032 is the brushless. What's a brushless and a brushed? Brushed motors are the old-fashioned motors. You have two armatures going to the armature. It turns, which creates friction. The brushless don't have the armatures. It's kind of like it's not touching anything. So the motor has faster speed, okay? That's why people love the brushless motors. This is the brushed, okay? Yeah, okay, I know. Okay, good. You got that all right. Here, this is the car right here. Okay, so we're going to take the clips off. Here you got 4 clips. You got this is your remote, your charger and everything. This is the body, the Lexan body. It's 4-wheel drive. Okay, really nice. You got metal shocks. It's just a really car. This is a great first-time slot car. This is normally $200. I got this for $99. Okay, okay, I'm not an expert in slot RC cars. I know that, but I am an expert in price and in the best quality product for your dollar. That's why I'm Professor Tinker. Okay, I know the best product for the best price. This is one of them. Okay, ProTinkerToys.com is one of our unboxing videos. Check out the links for the IMEX 18032 because we did a video on that. Actually, that thing running outside is sweet. Okay, so check the links. Click yes, you love these videos. Click yes, I want to buy one. Click this down here. Click up here. Click over there. Click everywhere. Okay.